Hi everyone, this is Henry from WWWONCLOUD.com. Okay, today we're going to show you some very simple WordPress and SSL installations, so let's get started. After we log into the Plus control panel, click Websites and Domains. You will see WordPress Toolkit and SSL TLS certificates. Click WordPress Toolkit. You can choose WordPress from here. Click Install WordPress. Enter website title. Select WordPress version. In the WordPress Administrator section, customize your username to make it easier to remember. When we want to manage WordPress directly, no need to access the control panel. Enter username. Enter password. Enter email. In the database section, leave it as the defaults. In the automatic update settings, should be yes. Click install and wait until the installation is complete. When installation is complete, up to you to install plugins, but plugins will not be installed here. Click No thanks. Okay, let's check. Your WordPress website is up and running. The Chrome browser shows not secure. We have not yet installed the SSL certificate. For WWWONCLOUD hosting you will not have to pay extra. But if anyone wants to buy separately and install it yourself, you can. Let's see how to install SSL in a very simple way. Back to Websites and Domains. Click SSL TLS Certificates. Click Get It Free. Let's anchor to the certificate authority. Enter email. Choose what you want, but recommend you to select all. Click Get It Free. You'll find this window, which we need to do, which is very important. Add TXT record to DNS. Go to Websites and Domains by opening a new window. Click DNS Settings. Click Add Record. Record type, select TXT. Domain name. Copy. Paste. TXT record. Copy. And paste. Click OK. Don't forget to click Update. OK, click Reload. Great, it's done. It's easy, right? Okay, let's check. Our website is now installed an SSL certificate. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.